Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we were riding back from Alibag. We were going home back to Pune. This was somewhere in between Lonavala and Pune, I think. And on the way we saw this car. It is supposed to be the replacement for the Volkswagen Vento, which we can see here. It is definitely the replacement of the car. You can see the resemblance, but also a lot of different visual cues. You can see the redesigned bumper, the redesigned grills, and I think the headlights will be slightly different as well, because that is something that generally happens to facelifted versions. Here you can see it again in my wing mirror. Not a great quality image, but there you go. There will almost certainly be some kind of headlight modification as compared to the stock model. Here we can also see this is a left-hand drive vehicle by that red sticker on the bumper with white writing. Now my brother Arnav tells me that this vehicle is also called the Virtus in some left-hand drive markets, and that is the testing vehicle which we can see here. That's why it's not a right-hand drive car. That's why all of us were intrigued by it actually. That's why Anish told me to see it. I mean, it doesn't look very much out of the ordinary. It's not even heavily camouflaged like some testing vehicles are, but the left-hand drive thing caught our eye. Now we can see here, I've pulled alongside this image from Volkswagen.com, the Volkswagen official website, and we can see the rear is very heavily redesigned. The tail lights are completely different. They reduce the visual mass of the car from the back. There's a small spoiler integrated into the trunk lid. The bumper is also different, and I think the side creasing is also sharper than the current generation Vento. So yeah, the images are from the Volkswagen side, so that's pretty accurate. That is the current generation Vento in red. And here we can see the driver on the left hand side is not something you see every day. So more of these car spottings coming soon. Subscribe if you like the video.